What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another banger video. Today we are doing
4 atomic models, and you should have this paper that has hydrogen and helium. We've got 3 rows of the periodic table. Now the periodic table is in your journal, and if you'll see, what you have is just the top 3 rows. All right, we're going to do the first 7 together, and then you're going to use the pattern that we established to do the rest. So I'm going to throw at you 2 new terms. You're going to write this right under here, group. The word group is G-R-O-U-P. So and you know groups are clumps of things. We're going to talk about groups on the periodic table, and then the periodic table is arranged by periods. So up and down, you're going to write the word group, and side to side, you will write the word periods. Groups on the periodic table will go up and down. Periods are going to go side to side. So let's look at the periodic table that you have. This right here is a period. Can you show me how many elements are in this period, which is period 1? Show me fingers. How many elements do you see in this period? Okay, good. There are only 2 in this period. There's hydrogen and helium. Okay, I want you to look at this period, which we call period 2. Can y'all show me fingers how many elements are in period? Yeah, good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a period, and then this is period 3. All right? Now we have groups. Groups go up and down. So can y'all show me fingers how many groups you see on this abbreviated periodic table? How many groups do you see?
8.
Yeah, there are 8. All right, and then next class we're going to talk about the importance and what the periods and groups tell us. We're going to start here with hydrogen. Okay, we've got hydrogen. We're not going to do all of this exactly, but if you look at your periodic table, hydrogen has an atomic number of 1. Okay, so next to atomic number, I'm going to put it here. Atomic number is 1. And then if you look at the periodic table, the mass is also 1. All right. Now, inside the nucleus today, we're only going to put the protons, all right? Because I want to show you something. So protons are 1. If we have 1 positive proton in the nucleus, how many electrons are out there? We have 1. All right? Okay, let's move over to the second element on the periodic table. The name is helium, and its atomic number is 2. So we went from 1 to 2. Helium has 2 protons. That's what the atomic number tells us. So 2 is going to be how many protons are in this nucleus. The mass of helium is 4. So if we were going to put the neutrons, we would put 2 neutrons in here. 2 and 2 make 4. How many electrons are we going to draw? How many electrons? We've got to have the same as the protons. Good. So we're going to do 1, 2. What do you think the next element's number will be? We did 1. We did 2. Yeah, the next element is lithium, and lithium has the atomic number of 3. And then if you looked at the periodic table, it would have a mass of 7. Okay, so lithium is going to have 3 protons in it. How many electrons does it have to have? 1, 2. We can't squeeze another one in here. We have to go to the next orbital. So we're going to go 3. And this outside orbital only has 1 electron, and we have a special name for that. We call it a valence electron. Do you notice that hydrogen also has 1 valence electron? 1 and 1. Okay, let's scoot to, what is this number going to be? What comes after 3? Okay, we're going to do 4. And beryllium has an atomic mass of 9. All right. If we've got 4 as the atomic number, we're going to have 4 protons. Can y'all show me fingers how many neutrons we would have? Okay, yeah, good. We would have 5. We're not writing it. There's not much room. We would have 5. So we're going to take this number 4 positives. We need 4 negatives. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. So the electrons and the protons, same number. Let's go over to boron. Boron is not 4. Boron is 5. So boron is going to have 5 protons. We're going to add another electron. It's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. Now, boron's mass is 10. So how many neutrons would there be? There would be, we have to add up to 10 in the nucleus. So we would show me fingers. How many neutrons? Yeah. Good. All right, we're going to do 2 more, and then I'm going to let y'all continue. Okay, carbon, we've got 3, 4, 5. We're moving up. Atomic number is 6. So that means we have 6 protons. So we're going to do 2 in the inside orbital. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carbon having 1, 2, 3, 4 valence electrons. And then we're going to go to 7. 7. And we're going to have 7 protons. And we'll have 7 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll put a 7th one down there. Okay, can you see kind of what you're going to do now? So what you're going to do is, this one is going to have what number, do you think?
8.
This one will have 8. What do you think this one will be? 9. 10.
11.
All right, so we have 8, 9, and 10. All right, and then we're going to do 11, okay? And so you'll go all the way to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You'll go to 18. And then what number, how many protons will be in here? In this one?
9.
What's the number there?
9.
The number right there, 8.
Oh, 8.
Okay? So you're just going to add 1 proton and 1 electron to each of these.
9.
All right. And we will be walking around checking. If you have any questions, what are you going to do? Yes, please. Okay.
If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that like button in the face.
Thanks 8th period.